Hello, my little Dhruvians. Myself, Nitu Agrawal, your math teacher, and today I will tell you how to represent fractions on number line. I have written many fractions on the board, and the first one is a proper fraction because numerator is smaller than the denominator, and the second one is improper fraction because numerator is greater than the denominator, and third and fourth one is a mixed fraction. Mixed fractions are the fractions which is having one whole number and a part. So those are mixed fractions. Now to represent fraction on number line, firstly we have to draw a line and put arrows on both the sides because a line can be extended endlessly in both the directions. So we have to place arrow. Then we will mark 3 points and name them as P, Q and R. I have given name to P, Q, R, and you can write any name, either it is A, B, X, Y, Z, whatever. But the main thing is that the distance between all the points must be equal. If you are taking 2 centimeter gap between P and Q, then you should take 2 centimeter gap between Q and R. Okay. So you should use ruler to draw a number line and then mark the points on equal gap. Now to represent 1/3, you can see that 3 denotes denominator and denominator represents number of total parts. So there must be 3 parts between 0 to 1 or P to Q. To get 2 parts, we have to cut only once. When we cut this circle once, we get 2 parts. So to get 3 parts, we have to cut only 1 and 2 times. So we will place 2 points and get all the 3 equal parts, and I am giving them name AB. So now there are 3 parts, 1 part, 2 part, and this is 3 part. Okay, so all parts are, total parts are 3. Now we have to represent 1 out of 3. So point A represents 1/3. So we will write point A represents 1/3 on number line. Okay, so we have written it 1/3. The point A represents 1/3. Now, how we represent the improper fraction? If we have any improper fraction, then we have to convert it into mixed fraction and then we will represent it on number line. So, let us convert it into mixed fraction. To convert it into mixed fraction, we have to divide 11 by 5. 5 2s are 10 and remainder is 1. We can write mixed fraction in the form of Q R upon D. Here Q is 2, R is 1 and D is 5. So we have to represent 2 1/5 on number line. As a mixed fraction is having one whole number and a part, so this fraction can be represented between 2 and 3. There is written 2, so it can be represented between 2 and 3, and the number of total parts must be 5. So to get 5 parts, we will mark 4 more points on number line, and now all the 5 parts are equal. Let me give it name A, B, C, and all those points are Q, R, S, T. Okay, I have given them name Q, R, S, T. Now let us count how many parts are there. 1 part, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are total 5 parts. Now to represent 1 part out of 5, we can represent it like this, 1/5. So we can write that point Q represents 2 1/5. 2 and 1/5 on number line. Okay. Now the third one is 4, 3 upon 6. The whole number is 4. So this fraction can be represented between 4 and 5. And here I have not written any 4 and 5. So let me erase the numbers and then mark them as 3, 4, 5. And the name I am giving is O, B, C. Now it can be represented on between 4 and 5, and the total number of parts are 6. So I will mark 5 more points. 3, 4, 5. Now all the parts are equal. You should always remember that all the parts between 2 points must be also equal. And I am giving them name like T, U, V, M, N. Okay. Now we have to represent third part. So 1, 1, 2, 3. This part represents 4 and 3/6. So we can say point V represent 4 and 3/6 on number line. Now the last one is 22 1/4. So let me change the numbers. It is 22. So I am writing 21, 22, 23, and it will between 22 and 23. How many total parts are there? 4. To get 4 parts, we have to mark 3 more points, and I am giving them name X, Y, Z, M, N. Now we have to represent first part. So point Y represent 22 1/4, and we can write point Y represents 22 and 1/4 on number line. Hope you understood it. If you are not getting it, then at least try to solve the given examples and then look at the video 2-3 times, then you will understand it. Stay home, stay safe.